your AI agent hits a Cloudflare wall. Playwright gets CAPTCHA challenged. The browser automation just stops. Stealth Browser MCP gives AI agents 97 tools to browse undetectable, bypassing Cloudflare, Qt, and every antibot system that blocks traditional scrapers. It runs on nodriver, the successor to Undetected, Chromadriver with 4,500 stars, plus Chrome DevTools Protocol for deep browser control. 11 modular sections let you run all 97 tools or strip it down to a 20-tool core. Disable what you do not need. The killer feature, pixel-accurate element cloning. The agent navigates to a page, extracts the complete DOM with all CSS and assets via CDP, and rebuilds it. Then there is network interception. AI-generated Python hooks intercept every request and response in real time. Headers, payloads, the entire data flow. It works with Claude Code, Cursor, and any MCP-compatible client. No custom brokers, no wrappers. Tested on LinkedIn, Instagram, Amazon, banking portals, government sites, all sites that aggressively block automation. For comparison, Playwright MCP ships about 20 tools and gets blocked. Stealth Browser MCP ships 97 and does not. If your agents need to browse the real web, the one behind Cloudflare, this is the tool. Link in the description.